Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are discussing my May favorites. I cannot believe May is here. It is so odd to me. It feels like just yesterday was January, and now summer is upon us. I have been just dreaming of sunshine. I feel like the winter lasted forever. If some of you are in North Idaho, we get the longest winters of all time. It is just dreadful. So I am so excited that summer is upon us. It's time for shorts and bikinis, boating, lake days. Oh, it's just fabulous. So I recently asked on my Instagram if you guys wanted a favorites video regarding beauty products or just random stuff that I'm loving at the moment. So it was a unanimous decision, and all of you guys wanted to hear about my random favorites. So here we are. Let's get into the video and discuss some things that I'm just loving at the moment. But before we do that, don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you guys are new and you haven't subscribed to my channel. I post videos weekly, so I would love if you guys would watch my videos, subscribe to my channel. Let's be friends, you know? Also, don't forget to click that notification bell. Things are changing around YouTube, so if you guys want to be notified when I post new videos, then you guys have to click that notification bell. So without further ado, let's get into the video and discuss some fun stuff. But before we do that, let me take a bite of my taco salad. Can we just appreciate a taco salad for a moment? Wow. And then I was feeling a little feisty, so I added some hot buffalo Doritos. For real, like the best lunch of all time. But I want to get through this video so I can finish that because mama's starving. All right, you guys, you requested that I discuss my favorites for May, and you wanted random shiz. Here we are. I have the most random things for you guys today, but I'm excited because I think you guys will be excited too. So to begin, I want to share with you guys one of the current food favorites at the moment for me. If some of you have watched my videos before, I've done some food prep, which I will link one of those videos in this video if you guys want to check that out. But I love to do food prep and eat healthy as possible, with balance, of course, but I do tend to kind of try to lean towards low carb meals as much as possible. Do indulge. Like, I'm not going to bullshit you here. I love me some carbs, okay? I try to be as good as I can, and then on the weekends or like Friday night and me and my husband have like a date night, then it allows me to like really enjoy myself, you know? This is currently one of my favorite low carb options at the moment. This is the Green Giant Riced Veggies, and it is a cauliflower mix. This stuff is so good. There is numerous versions of cauliflower rice frozen that you can get. This one is just really good. It has no sauce or seasoning, so it allows you to add your own seasoning. It has this veggie mix, which I love to do like a stir fry, like a healthy stir fry with chicken. It's so easy to make. You pop it out of the freezer, throw it in a skillet with some oil, and cook whatever meat you want with it. You can just have it by itself if you want. Sometimes I like to throw like a fried egg over the top. It's so yummy. I'm just loving this, and there's so many different versions too. There's like cauliflower mashed potatoes, cauliflower tater tots. It's like trending right now. I feel like hashtag cauliflower needs to be happening, right? This is like my favorite. So I have been like contemplating about filming another food prep video. If you guys would be interested to see that, let me know, because I would include this in one of the meals. But comment below if you guys would want to see a video like that, because I have some really good, healthy options. You can find this in the freezer section at any grocery store. Any sort of like riced cauliflower situation is the bomb, okay? You substitute rice with this, you're gonna be low carb city. You know what I mean? To stick with the food vibe, me and my husband love hot sauce. We love hot sauce. Like, if there is a food item that I'm eating, if hot sauce is appropriate, it's going on it. So when I was recently in Trader Joe's, I saw this hot sauce and I was like, I need that in my life. It is the Green Dragon hot sauce. Now, disclaimer, if you are very sensitive to spiciness, you're not gonna like this sauce. But if you're like an OG of hot sauce, then this is gonna be your jam. Put this on like eggs, pizza, I mean, you name it, I will put this sauce on it. It is so delicious, you guys. The main ingredients in the sauce is jalapeno, tomatillo, which I'm such a fan of tomatillo. I love tomatillo sauce, it's so bomb. Cilantro, vegetable oil, garlic puree, you know, all that good stuff. Lime, garlic. It's so delicious. If you guys have a Trader Joe's near you, I hope that you pick this up and try it because it's so delicious. Next up is just like a house item that I recently found. When I was at World Market, I was picking up some items for the house, and I just love like to get random house shit. I would like to say that I am a Joanna Gaines wannabe to an extent. Like, I'm not out there redoing homes, building bed frames, but I love interior design. I love interior decorating. It is one of my hobbies. It is one of the things that I feel that I'm good at, and I love it almost as much as I love makeup. So I love World Market because they have the cutest house stuff. And when I was there recently, I picked up these two items for our guest bathroom. I just thought they were so cute. And I love like cute things that when your guests see, they're like, oh. So this is the Desert Home Company Cactus Lime Hand Lotion. Look at how cute. Look at how cute this bottle is, guys. I saw this and I was like, this would be so cute in the guest bathroom. It just looks very summery. Not to mention, the lotion smells so bomb. So when guests come over, they can put lotion on their hands wherever they want. Also picked up this fresh aloe hand soap, and it has coconut oil in it. How cute is this? I thought together, these two things, the bottles alone are just so cute. I had to have them. And I'm kind of particular about like my hand soap. It needs to smell good, but not be like overbearing. And it needs to be like sudsy. You know, you want to feel like when you wash your hands, it's not some fake soap that leaves like a residue. Super cute. And they had so many other different like smells available, but these two, I just love the bottles, so I picked those up. World Market's online. You can always check their stuff out online, but if you have one near you, you guys need to check it out. They have so many cute house stuff. Next up, I had to throw in some beauty because these were just too good to just leave behind. For hair products, I love Briogeo. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. If you know how to say it, let me know. I love Briogeo's products. They smell delicious and they work so well. And I recently picked up this Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. This stuff is awesome. Helps tame the frizz, which I need since I had my child. My grow out since I lost so much hair is just like, I mean, frizz city. This looks somewhat good because I just got my hair done yesterday. It's fresh from the salon, if you know what I mean. So it'd be looking cute. On the regular, I need some sort of anti-frizz situation. I put it on when my hair's a little bit damp, but then I also can take like just a tiny bit in my fingers and kind of tame some flyaways if I'm having a little bit of craziness. It has coconut oil in it, rose hip, argan, and it also protects against heat up to 450 degrees. Trying to now incorporate in my hair products is heat protectant because I do, you know, you style it so often, you forget to kind of include that. So if you guys want to check out their line, you should, because they have really good products. This one is amazing. Next up is this Dry Bar Triple Sec 3-in-1 spray. And this stuff I just recently picked up because I have heard Dry Bar is really good and I just needed to try it for myself. But I love at Ulta you can get like the smaller sample sizes, so you don't have to like commit to like a $30 bottle. This is their 3-in-1 texturizer volume refresher spray. It's supposed to absorb oil and freshen the hair but add like a texture to it, which I was really intrigued by that. It makes me want to try the other products because it smells so good. But I love to just spray this in the hair when I want a little bit of texture. Sometimes if I let my hair air dry, it's like super soft and I need some texture in it to give it some volume. So this stuff I have been loving. You guys need to check out Drybar. And if you guys have actually used any of their stuff, you should let me know in the comments below, because I really want to know like what other products I should try from this line. All right, next up is going to be some clothing that I have been just loving lately. So with summer coming, I did recently make a few orders online. Who knew that the trends these days would be the way they are? But high-waisted shorts and bodysuits are back.
What?
Who knew that would ever happen, right? I did say when I saw bodysuits coming back, I was like, no, I'm not going there. Not going there. I used to wear bodysuits when I was like 12. Little fun fact, I had a bodysuit that was like long sleeve with like a plaid print on it. I was like, this is my jam. Like, this is my go-to outfit when I'm feeling fly, you know? I rocked that bodysuit with some white, off-white overalls to an all-for-one concert. That's right. I swear by the moon and the stars in the sky. Needless to say, I swore off bodysuits for quite some time, but they're back and I'm really feeling them. I love to pair just a simple bodysuit with shorts, jeans, whatever it may be. This one is adorable. I wore it actually in one of my recent videos. It is just a simple ribbed bodysuit, and the best thing about it is the low back. Ooh, minus the little tassel there. But it's so flattering on if you wear it with some shorts. The back is super low and just so cute. But it's super stretchy too, which I love, and it's just really comfortable and really good material. It's like the kind that you know is going to last for a long time. Purchased this, I believe it was on ASOS, so I will link below their website so you guys can check it out. But ASOS has the best clothing. Like, the next thing on my list of clothing that I've been loving is the high-waisted shorts. Now, what I love about these is that I can eat a taco or two or three and I can put these on and it's like it never happened. The low-waisted shorts, bye-bye. We need to cover the gut. Free the gut 2018. I'm going to start it right now. So these little gems are so cute and they're so comfortable. They're flattering. I'm a short girl. I'm 5'3", but these look good on me. They don't make me look like I have like crazy mom butt, because I feel like the way they make them nowadays are just a little bit more modern and hip, and the way that they sit on the body is just a lot better. But I am loving these for summer. I'm standing by them. I know someday I might watch this video and say, what the hell was I thinking? I'm just gonna go with it because they're comfortable. All right, this next item is also in the clothing category. And one of the major things that I'm loving as well for summer are slides. They are so comfortable, they're easy, they look cute with any outfit, and I just think they are adorable. I love that I can just slip them on and I'm good to go. I'm out the door. Like, if I need to run errands, boom, feet in, out the door. These slides, I have a few pairs, but these are my numero unos that I'm just loving. These are so fabulous. These are like slides, but like on the fabulous side, right? Like Real Housewives slides. So I feel kind of like, you know, feel like luxurious when I wear them. These are adorable. I purchased these on White Fox Boutique. I was pretty excited when I stumbled across these. They were honestly sold out when I originally saw them, and I was super bummed, but they came back in stock. I had to snag them immediately. I think they may be out of stock again, but I'm not quite sure, but I will link below the website and you guys can check it out. But these are one of a kind. I love them so much, and I just think they're super unique and just fashion forward, trendy, which I'm all about. And if I see any of you guys in my hometown wearing those, I'll know you watched my video. I see you. All right, you guys, that is it for my May favorites. like I promised, I brought you guys a lot of random stuff. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like the video if you guys enjoyed it, if you were all about these products that I mentioned, and don't forget to subscribe as well. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video.